Upper screws.
Open the hood. The bumper is screwed 3 times on the top, Torx 25. Remove all screws.
Screws to the wheel housing liner.
First, loosen the plastic wheel arch trim a little. Pull outwards. It's just plugged in. Then we got access to the 3 side screws, Torx 25. Remove all screws.
Bottom screws.
There is a cover on the bottom that you have to remove first. It is screwed 7 times, Torx 25. After the cover has been removed, there are 2 screws underneath. Dot and 1 on each side.
Remove bumper.
After all screws have been removed, first pull the bumper sideways out of the guide. Now you can easily get to the fog light connectors. Press the lock and then pull it off. The central connector for the parking sensors is located under the left headlight. To unplug, lever the lock slightly backwards using a narrow screwdriver. This will release the lock at the front and you can remove the plug. Now you can remove the bumper a little and disconnect a possible headlight cleaning system. Press both blue locks and pull off the hose. That's it.
Fog lights.
It is not necessary to remove the bumper to replace the fog lights. Lever. Pull the cover around the headlights outwards. There is now only 1 screw underneath and you can remove the fog light.